And down here in Central Texas, it doesn't get that cold in the winter, so it really doesn't justify spending the money on putting a heating when you have a big uninsulated shop. And those little electric heaters just don't do the trick. So a friend gave me this wall mount heater. I thought, well, I don't want to mount it in one spot because I work all over the garage. So how about making it portable or mobile? So I built this little stand. It's pretty stable. It's 24 by 26. Got casters underneath it, and let's see here, fire it up. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that's nice and warm. So there it is. It's mobile. I can move it around to what area I'm working at, so I'm not having to heat the whole garage. And yeah, stay toasty and keep my hands warm while I'm working out here. Anyway, just an idea for you if you're wanting to make one yourself.